there, and who does not love lasagna? It's like it's a favorite.
Well, yes.
In fact, side note, when Mark and I got married, I had a lasagna recipe that my mom made that was so good and so easy, and he did not like it. And I was like, how am I going to go about cooking meals for you when you don't eat my favorite food? But he's come a long way. He loves my lasagna now, and I have other recipes. So sorry, I had to digress.
You have delicious lasagna.
Yeah, he didn't like it at first, but anyway. So this, I'm super excited. You found this recipe. It's a zucchini roll-up veggie lasagna.
Correct. And so the filling, typical filling is the ricotta cheese with the Parmesan and an egg. This has got a tofu ricotta in the middle.
And do not let that scare you, because it is
not.
so good. We tried the filling before we rolled it up, and it was, why go to the time to roll it up if the filling is not flavorful?
You're right, you do.
And it was very good.
Yes, it was delicious. So,
Very good.
and it was really easy.
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't that hard.
Yeah, so you just thinly sliced some zucchini. We whipped up the tofu ricotta filling with spinach and onion, and that was in the blender. We just really rolled up the zucchini and then used a jar marinara and a little bit of vegan Parmesan on top, and baked it at 350 for about 40 minutes it was, right?
That's it.
So we have to try this. I'm so excited.
All right.
You want me to serve you?
Yes, please.
Okay, I will do that. Hold on. Kind of got a half, just a second. I got this one started and then.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
So they're so cute. Like these little zucchinis just roll up.
They are very cute. Oh, it smells really good.
It really does. Okay. All right. So excited to try it. It's going to be warm too.
It's
steaming.
It just came out of the oven. And if you don't have a mandolin to slice these, you can try slicing them by hand. That would work. You just have to make sure you slice them thin enough.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Let's give it a try.
Did you burn your mouth?
Nope. Okay. Ooh, that's good. What jar marinara did you get? I really like that. You have to.
I said it's Schnucks brand. The Culinara.
Mm-hmm.
Just a tomato basil.
Okay, that is delicious.
Oh, and it's warm.
It's like comfort food.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. And I love lasagna. I'm not a huge pasta fan, but I do love lasagna. And I think it's just the combination of the ricotta filling, the sauce, the cheese.
And you really taste the basil that's in it.
Mm-hmm.
It is really good.
This was super easy. This would be just a great thing to have. I could eat on this for a few days. And then, to take it somewhere. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Good. And
yeah, because the presentation is, you
Yeah.
know, you can see the little roll-ups in here. That's very pretty.
okay, I need one more bite.
So I know. So we'll go ahead and post the recipe below.
Mm-hmm.
Please hit the big red subscribe button. And if you try out the recipe, let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.
Yeah, it's really good, guys. So I highly recommend you give it a try.
Yep. Okay.
Yep. See ya.